Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to solve Block Zone Roblox. Your primary goal in Block Zone is to survive for a specific duration by strategically avoiding falling blocks. Each round presents different block patterns and speeds, requiring quick thinking and precise movement. Understanding the basic mechanics of how blocks spawn and where safe zones appear is crucial for early success. Focus on observing the warning shadows on the ground to anticipate where blocks will land. Mastering these fundamental principles will significantly improve your survival rate and help you progress through the levels. Effective movement is key to long-term survival in Block Zone. Always stay mobile, avoiding corners and edges to ensure you have multiple escape routes at all times. As you play more, you will start to predict block drops by recognizing recurring patterns that emerge across different rounds. Identify and swiftly move to temporary safe areas, which often appear in the center or along outer walls. Maintaining a mental map of your surroundings allows you to make split-second decisions about your next move, keeping you safe from falling blocks. To truly master Block Zone, incorporating advanced techniques and precise timing is essential. Execute precise, well-timed jumps to navigate narrow gaps between falling blocks, often requiring careful planning. Utilize the very edges of blocks as temporary standing points, which can provide you with precious extra milliseconds to react and plan. Develop your ability to recognize and adapt to more complex, less predictable block sequences that appear in higher levels. Consider moving in a circular or figure-8 pattern to maximize visibility and minimize entrapment in tight spaces, offering consistent safety. Finally, consistent practice is the most effective way to significantly improve your reaction time and spatial awareness in Block Zone. Take time to observe other successful players. You might discover new movement techniques and safe zone approaches you hadn't considered. Do not get discouraged by failures, as each round is a valuable learning opportunity to refine your skills and understand block behavior better. Experiment with different starting positions and movement styles to find what truly works best for your play style, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.